Hello students, in this video we will discuss the 8 planets. One by one we will discuss this. First is Mercury. So Mercury, just see the picture. This is the picture of Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest to the sun and has an atmosphere of inert gases. It rotates slowly and it has the variation in the day temperature. So it is a very hot temperature. Number 2 we will discuss Venus. Look at this picture of Venus. Now come to here like this. Venus is almost the same size as the Earth and is thus known as the Earth's twin. It is the hottest planet. It shines brightly and is visible before sunrise and after sunset as the morning star and the evening star respectively, that we called it as Venus. Next is your Earth. Earth is the largest among the inner planets. So when the first astronaut saw the Earth from space, it looked blue due to the presence of water all over it. So Earth is often called the watery planet or blue planet. Question is asked that which planet is called blue planet. So Earth is called the blue planet. It is also the only planet that supports your life. Next is your Mars. Now look at the characteristics of Mars. See here on this page, like this Mars here. Mars called the red planet and it is about half the size of the Earth. It has almost the same rotation time as the Earth. Now next is your Jupiter. So see, this is the figure of Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant made of hydrogen and helium, and more than 1300 Earths would fit into its volume. So it's a huge planet in size. Next one is your Saturn, this beautiful planet. See the ring outside of Saturn. This is known as Saturn. So Saturn has bright rings of icy particles like this ring. This ring is known as icy ring. It is made up of gas and liquid with the rocky center, and it looks like a bright jewelish star. So Saturn has this characteristic. Now next topic is your Uranus. Uranus is made up of gases and has a ring around its equator. So it has its Uranus. Next, the figure is your Neptune. This is your Neptune, and Neptune is similar to Uranus in size, in internal structure, atmosphere, and rotation speed. Thus, the Uranus and Neptune, the two are often called the twin giants. Now we have seen all the planets, but the Earth is very special. So why? Because it has life. So we study it separate that what the Earth has and its characteristic. Number one, the Earth is the largest among the inner planets. The Earth is our home, like all. It is the unique in the solar system, and its uniqueness is why it is due to the following reasons. Number one, it is the best located in the best location with reference to the sun. Number one characteristic. Number two, it has got the favorable environment condition for the origin and survival of various forms of life. Number three, it has a rotation of the earth keeps the temperature, extreme temperature between day and night within tolerable limits. Number four, it has got a favorable temperature for the existence of life. Number five, the presence of adequate water in the oceans, which provide ideal condition for the origin and evolution of life on Earth. It has the presence of an atmosphere and the oxygen-rich atmosphere, which is necessary for the survival of human being and other forms of life. That's why, because of the following these important characteristics, the Earth is very unique in the solar system. So I think you have understood the topic, all the planets and its characteristic. In the next video, we will discuss the next topic.